touch your hair.
Yeah. Like in the time to talk to you through gone wild. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Joe Heckroff. I'd like to welcome you all here to the Fresno Chafee Zoo and the Winged Wonders Bird Show. Now, thank you. Appreciate it. I like this crowd. Applause, and I haven't even done anything yet. Now, this season our show is being sponsored by the Fresno Chafee Zoo Corporation. We always like starting our show with a special thanks to that group for allowing us to be here again with you this year and for their commitment to conservation education. Now, I hope you enjoyed all those birds we just showed you. I'll introduce them all to you really quickly. We got started with a group of white homing pigeons that flew down the center aisle from behind you back there. Then that little black and white bird with the big beak hopping from branch to branch, that was Chafee. She's a trumpeter hornbill. After that was a little tiny guy with the long yellow